Worried about someone accessing your phone through a USB cable while it's locked? Here's a smart setting you should turn on. It blocks USB connection after your phone has been locked for more than an hour. Let me show you how to enable it on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Under additional security settings section, tap more security setting. Now find block USB connection while locked and turn the switch on. And that's it. Now even if someone plug your phone into a computer or charger after it's been locked for over an hour, it will not allow any data transfer. This can help protect your files from being accessed without permission. It's simple, quick, and a must-have for extra privacy, especially when you leave your phone unattended for a while. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.